Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Usha Bala. Today I will explain how to apply henna on hair. I am using Himalaya natural henna. First take a bowl and packet of henna and add tea decoction on that henna powder and mix it well according to your hair length. Okay, mix it well and apply into your hair. Okay, take a parts of hair and apply. First apply front section of your hair. Okay, like so. Now I will apply front section of hair and twist it and rotate it in the crown area. Okay. Okay, now take side section of your hair. Okay, and apply henna on that hair. Okay, now I am applying that henna from side section. Okay, now twist it and rotate the crown area as I am doing. Okay, now take another side of it and apply henna and rotate it. This is the same procedure you follow your entire hair. Now take the back side of hair and apply henna and twist it and rotate it. Now take another side and apply henna, twist it and again rotate it. Do the same procedure for your entire hair. Henna for not only girls, okay, boys also we can apply. Okay, now completed applying. Wait for 2 hours. Okay, now see the result after I wash my hair. The tea decoction turns orange color into your grey hair. Now see. Thanks for watching guys. Bye. Please subscribe my channel.